Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be telling you about a trade I took a few days ago and how I made over 80% returns on my capital in just 9 days, making a profit of almost 1,70,000 rupees. And I'll also be explaining to you the reason why I bought the stock. And if you have not checked out my previous videos, I request you to do that after you're done with this one. In the first two videos of my channel, I give you the complete proof of me quitting my job that was paying me over 70,000 rupees a month to become a full-time trader, and then turning an initial investment of just 1.35 lakh rupees into over 26 lakhs in just 1 year. I talk about my top 3 trades and give you a detailed explanation of those trades with some really nice educational content that you won't find on other YouTube channels. And the reason I made these two videos was that there are many traders on social media who are trying to scam their followers into buying expensive courses and webinars by showing them screenshots of big profits on the days that they make money. But trading, as you know, is a business of probabilities, meaning that anyone can make lakhs of rupees on a given day or even tens of lakhs of rupees depending on their initial capital. But what matters is in the stock market is the ability to make money in the long run and how much return you generate, and this is what most traders on YouTube never show you. But I want to be completely transparent with you, which is why I've shown you my complete annual performance in those two videos, so do check them out. So now let's get started with the trade. And the stock that I bought was Everest Canto Cylinders or EKC, and I bought it on 19th April. And I posted about this on our private Telegram channel, and you can see here that we bought the stock at 84.8 on 19th April. And this message is edited only because I had made a typing error, as this was a real-time alert provided to our subscribers and we didn't change the entry price or the name of the stock. And to prove that to you, I'll also be showing you my Zerodha trade book. And as you can see here, we bought EKC on 19th April early in the morning, and we bought 2500 quantity, and we sold it less than 10 days later on 28th, and the selling price was about 152. So now moving on to the trade, and the first reason for taking the trade was this breakout out of this symmetrical triangle after few weeks of consolidation. And as soon as this stock crossed this resistance, we bought it, which was at 84.8, and the stock hit upper circuit on that day itself, and this is what happened in the days after. It hit upper circuit, upper circuit, upper circuit. Then there were 7 upper circuits in a row, and then here there was a lower circuit on 28th April. And actually on this day it also hit upper circuit, but then the stock started falling, and we were alert to this. We were even expecting this. So this is on 28th April, and as you can see here on 28th April, as soon as the stock started falling, we booked our gains and moved out of this position for a very big profit. And I had also recorded a video of me selling the stock. As you can see here, I have 2500 quantity, and I exited it on a market order because since it was falling, there was no point of placing a limit order. As you can see here, the fall was pretty brutal. The stock had hit upper circuit but then kept falling and hit lower circuit just 4 to 5 minutes later. So before I move on to the next reason, a quick side note: apart from our premium Telegram channel, we also have a free Telegram channel on which we share educational content. It's by the name of The Logical Traders, so if you are interested, please consider joining it. In addition, I am also looking for suggestions on how to grow a YouTube channel, since I'm new on YouTube and I don't really have an idea on growing a YouTube channel. So in case you have a good suggestion, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you. Now let's take a look at the second reason for buying this trade, and this was the history of the stock, especially when breaking out of a symmetrical triangle like this one. So as you can see here, back in 2020 the stock also broke out of a symmetrical triangle, and it moved up almost 100% in just 20 days. And before that, okay, this was not a symmetrical triangle breakout, but stock still moved up 81% in 22 days, hitting upper circuit every day. So we know the stock had a tendency to move up really fast if it did. And if you go further back, you can see here as well on in 2017, and it broke out of a symmetrical triangle just like the one we saw recently, and it moved up 41% in just 8 days. And before that again in 2016, and it broke out of a symmetrical triangle again, and it moved up 54% in just 5 days. And if you consider this entire move, you'll see that it doubled in just 47 days. So because of this, we knew the stock had a tendency to shoot up really fast, and we were expecting some nice gains from this if our thesis was correct. Now moving on to the next reason for buying the stock, and it was relative strength, and pretty strong relative strength for the matter. And as you can see, this is 19th April, and this is the first candle of the first 30-minute candle of the day, and EKC was up over 8% in the first 30 minutes. Whereas in comparison, this is Nifty's chart on the for the same day, and this is where Nifty opened, and in the first 30 minutes it closed down over 2.63%. Now EKC, it kept moving higher and higher every day after it, whereas Nifty even retested the same lows and fell again to similar levels, while EKC kept moving higher. So this is the reason we decided to hold the trade past our target. Our initial target was about 109 110 levels, which would give us a risk to reward ratio of 1:5. However, we didn't sell a single share during the entire rise, and we sold only when it started crashing. So yes, the relative strength was a big factor in helping us riding this trend. Now moving on to the last reason for such a profitable trade, and this was learning from a previous mistake. And if you go to the logicaltraders.com and go to the blog section, and the first blog that you'll see is about one of our previous picks which doubled in just 26 days. And this stock, this article is about IIFL Securities. And moving to the chart of IIFL, and as you can see here, we bought IIFL on 22nd January, and it was breaking out of a similar symmetrical triangle consolidation, and we bought it at around 120, and our stop loss was again 5 rupees, so around 115, 114.5 to 115, and our initial target was 140, so giving us a risk to reward ratio of 1:4. And this is what happened after we bought it. It consolidated for a few days, and then boom, it hit upper circuit, and this target was 140, so we sold half a position. Our risk was 2%, so we sold 1% of half a position at 140. And in hindsight, that was a mistake, because the stock gave us a pretty strong closing on 29 January, which is when we decided to sell half our position. And we probably shouldn't have done that because of the strong closing, and it moved up. Obviously it hit upper circuit again the next day, and then again the next day. And this red candle is where we sold our remainder of the position, and we sold that at 200 exactly, or somewhere around 200. And that was a good decision, because given the length of this triangle, there's no way we would have stayed in the position after this whipsaw. So we sold it at 200, and it kept even moving higher even after that, but we can't complain about that because of this big whipsaw. And the only mistake we made was selling it at 140 when the stock gave us pretty strong closing. If you enjoyed the videos, again please consider liking it by clicking on the thumbs up button. If you found it educational, please subscribe to the channel. And again, if you have any suggestions or any tips for me about what to make in the next video, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.